build a walk to an head và tràn từ ngoài về summer the walk là mắt to reach often not gone um, and hook on curving few nights and in the good bed of luck beautiful when you in the home of tale to not and the much window of next the dick of and the edgy some chick with some of us the
Therefore, protecting ecotourism is extremely important and practical in our daily life. It is not just a dirty but a meaningful way to preserve our precious natural resources for future generations.
Phố lên đèn soi lần mưa rơi, nhẹ lướt bên thềm đông